Everest Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our Everest Wallet Full Review. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Let's dive straight in. The Everest Wallet is a multifunctional cryptocurrency wallet designed to provide users with secure storage, identity verification, and seamless access to the Everest ecosystem. Built on blockchain technology, it combines a digital wallet with a biometric ID system, making it a unique solution for those seeking enhanced security and global financial inclusivity. One of the standout features of the Everest Wallet is its integration with the Everest ID system, which enables users to securely verify their identity on-chain. This feature is particularly useful for accessing financial services such as banking, remittances, and DeFi platforms that require identity verification. The wallet supports a range of cryptocurrencies, including Everest's native token, ID, as well as other major assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The wallet also allows for secure storage and easy transfer of assets, with private keys stored locally on the user's device. For users who prioritize earning opportunities, Everest Wallet offers staking options, enabling holders of ID tokens to earn rewards while supporting the network's security. Additionally, it facilitates fiat-to-crypto transactions, allowing users to seamlessly convert traditional currencies into digital assets. In terms of strengths, the Everest Wallet stands out for its unique combination of a biometric ID system with a secure wallet, making it ideal for users who require identity-based services. Its integration with the broader Everest ecosystem provides access to financial services such as remittances and payments, which are particularly valuable in underbanked regions. The staking functionality adds a passive income opportunity for token holders, and the wallet's intuitive design ensures ease of use for both beginners and experienced users. However, there are a few limitations. The wallet's reliance on the Everest ecosystem may limit its appeal to users not invested in the ID token or its associated services. Additionally, while the biometric ID feature is innovative, it might raise privacy concerns for some users. In summary, the Everest Wallet is a secure, versatile, and innovative solution, particularly well-suited for users seeking identity-verified access to global financial services. If this matches your needs, be sure to explore the links in the description for more information and to get started today.